Black screen. Phone alarm buzzes. 6:17 a.m. Your boss is already in your inbox. Hey, can you hop on a quick call? You haven't even peed yet. You spend 9 hours making someone else rich. You commute home in traffic that costs you 300 hours a year. You check your bank account and the math doesn't math. For 40 years, they told you the 9 to 5 was the safe bet. It's not. It's the most expensive gamble in America because it only pays you when you're awake. And the scariest part? While you were sleeping last night, my money clocked in, worked a full shift, no coffee breaks, no PTO. Here's the part nobody at your job will say out loud. The 9 to 5 isn't safe anymore. This is what replaced it. The year is 1955. A guy named Frank walks into General Motors. He's 22, high school diploma, firm handshake. They give him a job on the line, $2.10 an hour. Good money. He stays 40 years, gets a pension, buys a house for $12,000, retires at 62 with health care and a party in the break room. Frank won. The system worked. You were born 40 years too late for Frank's deal. Let me show you why with receipts. 1971. Nixon takes the dollar off the gold standard. Before that, every dollar was backed by real gold in a vault. After that, the dollar was backed by vibes and the Federal Reserve's printer. M1 money supply in January 2000, $4.62 trillion. M1 money supply in April 2022, $21.64 trillion. That's a 368% increase. Did your paycheck go up 368%? Be honest. When they print dollars, they don't mail you extras. They hand them to banks and the Treasury. Those dollars buy assets first: stocks, real estate, companies. By the time it trickles down to your paycheck, price is already moved. You're buying cereal for 2024 prices with a 2012 raise. This is called the Cantillon effect. Sounds fancy. It just means people closest to the money printer get rich. You're not close to the printer. So let's talk about your safe 9 to 5. Average U.S. salary in 2024, $59,428. After federal, state, FICA, you take home around $45,000, depending on where you live. Median rent for a one-bedroom in the 50 largest cities in the U.S., $1,496 a month. That's $17,952 a year. Health insurance premium for single coverage, $8,435 a year, 2023 data. You're already at $26,387 before food, gas, car, student loans, or, God forbid, a fun Saturday. The math is quiet, but it's violent. And it gets worse. Your 9 to 5 has single-point failure. One boss, one payroll, one HR email can nuke 100% of your income. In Q1 of 2023, Meta cut 10,000, Amazon 9,000, Google 12,000. These weren't baristas. These were product managers making $300K. Safe doesn't mean safe. It means familiar. So if trading time for money is a melting ice cube, what's the play? You stop renting out your day. You start owning things that work nights. An asset is just a little employee that never sleeps, never asks for PTO, never quits. There are 4 types that regular people can actually build. No trust fund required. 1. Cash flowing equity. Think dividend stocks, REITs, boring S&P 500 ETFs. You buy $10,000 of SCHD. It pays about 3.5%. That's $350 a year or $29 a month forever while you binge Netflix. Not sexy, but it's a start, and it scales. 2. Digital products. Notion templates, spreadsheet trackers, video LUTs, a 30-page guide on how to pass the PMP. You make it once, sell it for $19 to $99. Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, no inventory, no shipping. A 13-year-old in Ohio is clearing $8K a month selling Fortnite settings guides. If that doesn't make you rethink your life, check your pulse. 3. Automated services. Email newsletter with sponsors, niche job board, local lead gen site for roofers. You set up the system, it runs, money hits Stripe while you're at a cousin's wedding. 4. Real assets with leverage. A duplex. You live in one side, tenant pays the mortgage on the other. House hacks. Boring, old, still works in 2026 if you buy right. Skeptical? Good. Let's do the uncomfortable math on just one. You're a project manager. You've made 47 Gantt charts this year. You hate 46 of them. You spend 40 hours building the cleanest, no BS project tracker in Google Sheets. You template it, add instructions, make a 2-minute Loom video. You list it for $27. To replace $1,000 of monthly income, you need 38 sales. That's 1.2 per day. The internet has 331 million people in the US alone. You need 0.00001% of them to have a bad day in Microsoft Project. Month 1, 14 sales, $378. Trash. Month 4, 89 sales, $2,403. Huh. Month 9, 210 sales, $5,670. You haven't opened the file since March. Now, stack it. You add a $49 agency version. You add a $15 Gantt chart only mini pack. Average order value climbs to $34. Same traffic, more money. That's leverage. Your 9-to-5 doesn't have that. You can't tell your boss, I did such a good job on Tuesday, pay me 1.5 for Wednesday. Your asset can. Now the hype says, fire your boss, bro. Hype is expensive. Reality is this. Your 9-to-5 is the best venture capitalist you'll ever meet. It's seed funding with health insurance. You keep the job. You use 5 to 10 hours a week to build one asset. 6 months per asset. 4 years, 8 assets. Let's be conservative, not YouTube conservative, IRS conservative. Asset 1, $600 a month. Asset 2, $400 a month. Asset 3, $1,200 a month. Asset 4, $0 a month. It flops. Happens. Asset 5, $2,100 a month. Asset 6, $900 a month. Asset 7, $300 a month. Asset 8, $1,700 a month. Total, $7,200 a month. $86,400 a year. That's before you touch your salary. That's money that showed up while you were sleeping, arguing with your spouse, or stuck on I-95. And here's the kicker the W-2 crowd hates. The tax code subsidizes owners. Your salary? Taxed at 22% to 37% federal, plus 7.65% FICA, plus state. In California, you're kissing 40 to 45% goodbye. Long-term capital gains? 0, 15, or 20%. Qualified dividends? Same. Business income? Write-offs, deductions, depreciation. The game is rigged, but the rulebook is public. You're allowed to switch jerseys. Zoom out. What happens when a whole generation figures this out? We already see it. 44% of millennials have a side hustle, bank rate 2023. U.S. had 5.5 million new business applications in 2023, census data, highest on record. People don't trust the old contract because the old contract broke first. Pensions are extinct. 94% of private sector workers don't have one. Social Security Trust Fund projected to be depleted 2033. Your retirement age is a moving target. Meanwhile, the top 1% own 53% of stocks. The bottom 50% own 1%. Federal Reserve 2024. Assets are the new caste system. Not education, not job title. Assets. You either own them or you rent your life from people who do. That sounds dark. It's not. It's just the board. You didn't design it, but you have to play on it. Here's the irony that keeps me up. The riskiest people in 2026 are the ones doing what their parents told them was safe. One job, one income, one email away from zero. The safest people look reckless. 3 LLCs, 2 YouTube channels, a weird little PDF store, a duplex with a tenant. They get clowned on LinkedIn, then they disappear to Portugal for 3 months. You don't need to be a genius. You need to be early and consistent. Frank's world rewarded loyalty. Your world rewards ownership. Loyalty to a company in 2026 is like being loyal to Blockbuster in 2010. Admirable, also broke. So we're back to that number, $22,614 while I slept. It wasn't built in a month. It was built in 1,500 nights of 90-minute sprints after my 9 to 5. While people watched Succession, I built engines. Not motivational, just factual. The 9 to 5 isn't evil, it's just outdated code. It was written for a low inflation, high trust, gold-backed economy. That economy got deleted. You can run old code in a new world. Your results will be old. Or you can write new code. Build one thing that pays you twice. First, when you make it. Second, every month after. Do that 8 times? Then you've got a choice Frank never had. You can keep your job because you like it, not because you'll starve without it. That's the real definition of safe. So the question isn't, can you afford to build assets? It's, can you afford to keep renting your time in a world that's printing your paycheck into a coupon? Frank had a contract. You have a decision.